just promoting kabaddi and this time basketball. So what are your plans for promoting basketball in India? Like it's not so much popular in like other countries.
Yes, yeah, great question. Yes, I've bought the Jaipur franchise for the Kabaddi League, and that'll be starting late next month. And that is an effort on my part to start popularizing sports and give sports a pedestal, which unfortunately we don't give in our country. I really do believe, because of the kind of schooling that I've had and the kind of sports we were made to play, that sports is an integral part of everybody's life, and I believe it should be. And I'd like to change a mindset where I feel, and this is a personal opinion, in India especially, कि हम सब ये समझते हैं कि हमें ये बोला जाता है that, you know, sports is not a viable career. So we're not really pushed into it. You know, if you see ज़्यादातर जो हमारे बच्चे हैं, we say, you know, make them doctors, engineers, put them in the IAS or whatever. But sports is never considered a viable career option. I'd like to change that mindset. And it's with the help of great leagues like, say, the NBA, that come in here and show that there is a structure you can follow. It is a viable career option. And to push sports not just as a plaything. It is a lifestyle. It is a career that is possible. And I'd like to do that. I have an affinity to basketball because I love basketball. It's my favorite sport. I'm willing to do anything to promote sport in our nation. And when this opportunity came to work with the NBA and Jabong, I said, this is a fantastic opportunity. I'd like to do whatever possible. So yes, Kabaddi is part of what I am doing. But tomorrow, if the NBA has more plans for India, or if we start doing something with basketball, I'd be the first person to volunteer, because I really do think it's a brilliant sport, and it's a sport which we as Indians can excel in. And I wish we can do some more to promote the sport. And, you know, this is a great step. You know what I think is great also with, you know, with people like Jabong coming in is, I've noticed that especially in a lot of our retail stores, especially in sporting goods, you know, they don't tend to have the complete variety that you would get to see, say, in the West, in England or in America. We don't get all the stuff that is available to them. But it is now, if you go to Jabong, I just went through the website of the NBA store, and they have everything that is available in America, and it's fantastic. And this is a start. It's going to take time. Like I said, it's a mindset which we need to change. As far as women in sport is concerned, I think it is equally important for them, and I think women playing sports is an integral part of any society. As far as, you know, I'm concerned, and in my Kabaddi League, for example, we are having women's Kabaddi matches with the men's, and on the agenda is to start a women's Kabaddi League in the near future. So we're all trying, and, you know, you have to make a start somewhere. You make a small, humble start, and you hope that it grows into a movement. But I definitely feel that it is as important for women to play sports as it is for men. And I hope you find your indoor shoes. Jabong.com. Anything else, guys?
So Abhishek,
yes.
with your love for sports, here.
Where?
Oh, here. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
As we just got to know that your love for your sports, we can just say that if you hadn't been an actor, definitely you would have been a sports person.
I would have loved to be in, yeah.
So which is that? Which is that a sports you would have?
I would have tried it for the Lakers. I might not have made it, but I would have tried. Basketball for sure.
Okay.
No, but basketball for sure I would have tried. Yeah.
All right, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your time, and thank you for your questions. Thank you very much, gentlemen. You can take your seats now. You can stay here. Okay. You can stay here. Thank you very much. All right, one more time, Abhishek. Can we raise the cheer for sports? Viva sports. Hip, hip.
Hooray.
Hip, hip.
Hooray.
Hip, hip.
Hooray.
All right, thank you very much. And thank you very much for once again joining us for the NBAstore.in for its launch, and of course the exciting partnership between Jabong.com and NBA. And I'd request you all, and Abhishek you as well, to please join us in the pre-lunch area. All right, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for joining us. Please enjoy yourself.